If your showerhead looks like a piece of chalk, or your glass doors are so cloudy you can't see through them, do not spend $15 on toxic chemical sprays, and stop wasting your weekends scrubbing with vinegar. Sitting in the baking aisle of almost every grocery store is a $1.50 food-grade crystal that dissolves 10 years of baked-on calcium crust at the molecular level in 15 minutes flat, with zero scrubbing. Every year, homeowners throw away perfectly good faucets, showerheads, and shower doors because they think the metal is ruined. Or they walk into a big box store and buy commercial limescale removers packed with sulfamic or hydrochloric acid. Here is what those bottles don't tell you on the front label. Harsh mineral acids are designed to strip the top micron of metal to make it look clean fast. But over time, they eat right through thin chrome electroplating, pit stainless steel, and dissolve the rubber O-rings and silicone seals inside your fixtures until they start leaking behind the wall. And then you have the internet's favorite advice: white vinegar. Now, I like vinegar for basic surface wiping, but standard household white vinegar is only 5% acetic acid. When you're dealing with thick, layered calcium carbonate and magnesium silicate that's been baking on for 5 or 10 years, vinegar is simply too weak. It takes 24 hours of soaking, smells up your entire house, and lab tests show it still leaves over 40% of the insoluble mineral rock behind. The compound the cleaning chemical industry hopes you never buy in bulk is pure, food-grade citric acid. You've probably seen it used for canning tomatoes, making sour candy, or descaling commercial espresso machines. But most people don't realize how it actually works on hard water minerals. Unlike mineral acids that violently burn everything they touch, citric acid works through a natural chemical process called chelation, from the Greek word chel, meaning claw. At a molecular level, citric acid has 3 carboxyl bonding sites. When it touches hard water crust, it doesn't just burn the surface. It wraps around the insoluble calcium and magnesium ions like a claw, pulls them out of the mineral lattice, and converts them into calcium citrate. And calcium citrate is 100% water-soluble. That means the hard rock that was bonded to your glass and metal instantly turns into a harmless liquid salt that rinses down the drain with plain warm water. No scraping with razor blades, no steel wool scratching your glass, and no toxic fumes filling your bathroom. A 2-pound bag of pure citric acid costs around $6 to $8 online, or about $1.50 for a standard box in the spice aisle. That one box contains enough descaling power to clean every shower, faucet, dishwasher, and kettle in your house for the next 3 years. Now, you have to mix it at the exact ratio and water temperature, otherwise the reaction stalls out or leaves a white clouding film on your chrome. Before I show you the exact measurements, the dwell time, and the one finishing step that prevents Limescale from coming back for 6 months, take a second to hit subscribe. We run this channel to bring back the practical, honest household fixes that worked before everything became a $20 plastic bottle. Now, let's mix the master batch. Here is the master ratio. For every 1 cup of hot, near boiling water, you add 2 level tablespoons of pure citric acid crystals. The heat is essential. Raising the water temperature to around 180 degrees accelerates the chelation rate by over 400%, meaning you get in 15 minutes what cold vinegar can't do in 2 days. Stir it for 30 seconds until the liquid is completely transparent. Method 1. For showerheads and aerators. If you can unscrew your showerhead, just drop it into a bowl of the warm solution. If it's fixed to the wall, pour the mixture into a heavy-duty Ziploc bag, submerge the fixture completely, and secure the bag with a thick rubber band. Set a timer for 12 to 15 minutes. You'll see thousands of micro bubbles forming almost immediately as the calcium bonds break apart. When the timer goes off, take the bag off, run hot water through the shower for 30 seconds, and give it one light wipe with a cloth. The jets will spray straight, and the chrome will shine like the day it came out of the factory box. Method 2. For glass shower doors. Pour your warm mixture into a standard spray bottle and add exactly 1 single drop of plain dish soap. That soap acts as a surfactant, breaking the surface tension so the citric acid clings to vertical glass instead of running straight down to the floor. Spray the entire glass surface from top to bottom. Let it dwell for 12 minutes. Then, take a wet microfiber cloth, wipe down the panel in smooth S-curves, and rinse with warm water. You will feel the glass go from gritty sandpaper to completely slick under your fingers. Now, here is the step 99% of people miss, and it's why their Limescale comes back 3 weeks later. When you dissolve heavy mineral buildup, you expose raw, microscopic pores in the glass and metal. The moment someone takes a hot shower with hard water, those minerals anchor right back into those pores. To stop that, dry the glass completely with a clean towel. Then take a clean dry rag and put exactly 2 drops of pure food-grade mineral oil or a dab of paste carnauba wax on it. Buff that into the glass and chrome fixture until there is zero haze. What you've just done is create a microscopic hydrophobic barrier. Water can no longer sheet or sit on the glass. It beads up and slides straight down the drain before the calcium has a chance to crystallize. One 5-minute treatment keeps your glass and fixtures spotless for up to 6 months. One crucial safety rule before you start, and this will save you a $5,000 bathroom remodel. Citric acid is safe on chrome, nickel, stainless steel, glass, ceramic tile, and acrylic. But never use citric acid, vinegar, or any acid on natural stone surfaces like marble, travertine, or limestone. Natural stone is made of calcium carbonate, the exact same mineral as limescale. If you spray citric acid on a marble shower bench or limestone floor, it will chemically etch the stone permanently. If you have stone floors beneath your glass door, lay down a thick old towel to catch any drips while you work. 2 tablespoons of $1.50 crystal, 1 cup of hot water, 15 minutes of dwell time, and a drop of protective oil. That's the old way. Still works.